Former opposition Zengeza West Legislature, Job Sikhala, is still undergoing treatment at a medical center overseas after experiencing a running stomach and passing bloody stool due to suspected poisoning while incarcerated. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. During his incarceration at Chikurumbi Maximum Security Prison, Sikhala said he suffered from abdominal pain on his left side and expressed fear that it could be colon cancer. Sikhala went for medical checkups, clearly aware that he was in the hands of the oppressors, who are well known for poisoning people, killing people, and all sorts of sinister acts against those who fight the daily battles people are facing in our nation. He is still receiving treatment overseas. He has not been well. He will be back soon after the medical checkups. As a movement, we hope that all goes well and we wish him well. So it was very indispensable for him to go overseas for the verification of his health. You know, in a nation grappling with dire shortages of medication, we saw Job Sikhala traveling abroad. People are jogging in glue. There is high inflation rate. People are being evicted from their land. There is poor transportation system. Students are dropping out of school because of financial instability, and everything is upside down. So we need Sikhala back so that we can work together towards the alleviation of our daily crisis. This is today's news about Job Sikhala still undergoing treatment overseas. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.